Hello? Alright. I say, hello everyone. Let's waste no time today and get right to work, because we are short on time. On day 5, so only got 3 left. Alright. Oh boy. So, I was working a fair bit, Hello? Whoop. Alright. Wait, shut up, me. I was working a fair bit outside. Right now I'm working on, well actually, let me show you a little bit of what I've been working on. Ta-da! Mainly just trying to make a proper mechanics testing map. Definitely something I should have done day 1, but whatever. So I got stuff for quests, for enemy camps, for dungeons. Right now I'm working on a simple quest system. So, let's get on that. Right now there's going to be a component that can fire triggers on the quest manager whenever stuff happens. For example, when it's destroyed, we're going to send some, trigger some events on the quest manager, which then can filter down into specific quests and do specific stuff. Alright. Begin quest, global event quest, current quest, global quest event. Oh, already did. Event. So let's get our active quests. So the way I'm handling this is I have a game system called, persist. So, excuse me. Meant to be persistent system for quests, and then it spawns an actor called an active quest for every quest that's active. Excuse me, got like a chip in my nose. 1 second. Okay, I think I got it out. Alright. So, active quest, or persistent quest, trigger, no, what is it? Quest event, there it is. Well, let's just do this. Basically what this does is, actually I'll show you how this works. Basically what happens is, whenever a quest is triggered, or whenever a quest event happens, it runs through to see if those events are needed to complete whatever the current state of the quest is, and if so, it'll go on to the next state. If it runs out of states, finish the quest. Super simple. So now I just need to try it out. Global quest event. This will be a component for on destroyed, so let's drop that component onto these 3 skeleton boys. It's hard to drop onto specific instances of them. Actually, you know what? No, yeah, I want to do this. I was like, do I want to do this? Do I want to handle this differently? No, this is fine. Event on destruction. Kill skeleton. And we just need to add that to each one of these. And of course, music. We need music. Boy. Probably should have got some proper food before this, but oh well. That's a good one. Alright. Make sure audio levels are not too loud. It's like louder on my mic than it is on the desktop audio, but whatever. As long as I can hear it. Alright, now here's our quest. Clear camp. So, yeah. Let's just make sure. Let's start off with a quest already added. Where's my save data? There we go. Save. Whew. Active quests, clear camp, and we're going to be at state 1 with 0 triggers. So when I load up, hopefully it'll... Nope, I should have loaded the HUD. Alright, because I haven't told it to update whenever quest gets added. Cool. Excuse me. Actually, I need to close this out because I want to keep everything on the main viewport. So back to the quest system. No. Nope. Why ain't it showing up? Always something going wrong, huh? No, get out of here. Alright, it needs to be my active quest. That actually should be something in quest data as well. Or in save. Not active quest, it would be current quest. It would be the one I'm currently tracking. Get saved. Oh yeah, this would be good actually. Can I get active glitch? Excuse me. This is the quest data, not the actual quest actor. So what I should do is say... current quest... private... And we're going to make our current quest to this when it's initialized as the... Sorry, there we go. Yeah, that's one. Hey, what's he running away for? Come on, come on, come on. Move it. One more. I don't know what he's not attacking me for. But there. Oh. Hang on. You only want to set it to our current quest if it's the actual on initialization. Is that right? I don't think this is right. I don't think this is working the way I'm wanting it to, but... No, quest system. I had a pretty elaborate quest system set up for Mariposa, but I obviously don't have to copy that over and modify it. Next state. Excuse me. is how I did it. No. Yeah. And a flag. There we go. Event. Next. Oops. Advance. A simple flag for determining, like, what happens on different, you know, events and triggers and stuff. Okay. Let's see. That's right. The next date, and obviously, and oh, I should put the owning quest too, though, on quest updated. Quest. Active quest. Update quest. Beep beep. This will be a private event. Naturally. You don't have that flag. Event. Setup, I guess. No. Set up. And on end quest, which really should be an event, so I can delay a second. Because I want to destroy either way. If I want to gather any data from this, I need to do that first. All right, and I think that'll work. Oh, way too far. Yeah, come on. Alright, Alright, so where am I trying to grab the current state? Quest event. Triggers next. I should probably add some sort of debug flag. In fact, no, yeah, we're gonna do that. No. Append. Quest event. No. Quest event. And then the event flag. Now, let's try it out. Keep ending up so far from them. That's not what I want. I should probably give myself more damage per attack, just so I can speed this up. Event. Quest end. So upon end. Alright, hide. Equals. So we're gonna hide it. I mean, there's a better thing for when quests start and complete. Admittedly, but and that's not even good because I need to make sure that that's the active one. Come back here. Oop. I'm not gonna sing anything, but happy birthday. There we go. Let's see. Oh, the thing did disappear, so that's good. I gotta pull up references to Ye Old Genshin. Make sure I do this right. Oops. Come on. I need that quest complete thing. I just need a reference to what the quest looks like when it's finished, or what the pop-up is. There's so many mechanics to this darn game. Yeesh. Alright, boy. Alright, well. At least I know quests work technically. I will have to play Genshin after this and refresh my memory on some of this stuff, because I'm having trouble finding references for like just specific stuff. But so basically, here's what we got. Oop! Enemies, get out of here. Yeah, kinda. And plus, I'm having to crunch on a few other things too. Woo! Alright, I don't want to have that quest up. Actually, this should be a pretty simple, like, event for starting and finishing a quest. Alright, action. We're gonna make a new action, which are asynchronous things. Act. Quest. Start. End. Quest. And then... bet safer to use the quest data than to use the actor, because the actor will probably be deleted by the time I do this event. So what this is going to do, it's going to be an event that's going to basically pause the game so it can do a pop-up that says, hey, quest started or done. User widget. Normal user widget will probably be faster. UI. Quest start end. Let's see. So stream will probably end up going to 4 today. I don't think I'll go past that, but we will see. Quest state. So we'll say, yeah. Quest started. quest name here. Life. This will be the whole animation lifetime. So looks like I'm getting a bit slow down there. 1, 2, 3. It's probably pretty good. And after maybe, I don't want to have him wait too long to get out of this. So maybe just under 2 seconds. So maybe just a tad shorter than that. Keep it in 1.5 seconds. That should hopefully be good. There we go. In quest, we'll say quest to call quest, and this will be begin. And then, oops, no, I want to assign their own on quest event. Yep. On quest update local. Probably local on quest update would make more sense as far as naming conventions go, but what this happens is this will run every time we get an update flag to a quest. Oops, data. So action. Oh, better make sure that action actually has these for exposing on spawn. Good. Boop. Ah. Switch. Quest start and end event. Wait, we'll do start. Yeah. I guess animation makes sense, right? Although I don't even need an act for this. Never mind. Excuse me. Yeah, long term making a queue for this would be better, just in case we complete several quests at once. But excuse me, I'm thinking of adding some sort of queue system, some sort of like event queue system. I don't know, but that's a long term thing. Again, I'll begin, end. You know, an event queue component. Actually, I'm going to do that. I'm going to make something called an event. Hopefully, it won't take too long. But I actually might implement this directly into Omega if it works out. I basically want to create something that has. Let me put this. That essentially will create a list of asynchronous events, by which I mean it'll essentially just run them in order, and you can customize. An event queue, essentially. That's what I want to make. So I'm going to try that. Make a new component. Gameplay event queue. Gameplay event. This would be something good to add directly into Omega, actually. Gameplay event. Event queue component, I think. Right, event queue. next event. Wait. This should only ever go on success and failure, though. In fact, we'll even add something. Success, and then failure. Yeah, failure reason. I'll probably dig into the code and add a success reason, or even rename this. I don't know. Right, well, it doesn't matter. Oh, I see. Never mind. I don't need the reason. Because I'm right, that's not native anyway. Oh, boy. Alright, what's going to happen? Next event. End event. In fact, let's pull up Trello right now and add that, just before I forget. Gameplay queue event. Because that'll be good for a lot of stuff, honestly. Oops. Okay, never mind, I gotta log in. I was like, what, I'm in the wrong spot. Sorry, 1 second, fellers. Just want to add a gameplay queue component to... oh, sorry. Gameplay event queue. All right. Unless, hopefully, there's not something already in here, and that's the same, essentially the same thing. Add event to queue. We should also have tags, flags, and context, like we do for basically everything else. We'll call it context. Flag and tags. All right. Freaking dogs yapping all the time. Alright, event queue component, that's what I want. Do once. Actually, that better be a sequential thing, because that's not the only thing we want to do in end. Alright, so when we add an event to the queue, we'll say gameplay event. Gotta be a class. Gameplay event class. Object. Man. ST gameplay event queue data. This is probably not the most exciting thing, but that's what we got. Gameplay event. It's important stuff. Class. Is it? I've been misspelling it the whole time, haven't I? You are correct. It's Q. Thank you, sir. Please don't crash all my stuff. Oops. Context. Better do that on Trello as well. Oh, for goodness sake. I'm gonna have to go take care of it. Okay, sorry. I have to go bring a dog in because he's starting to become a real pest out there. 1 second. We back. Okay. So I tend to work faster when I'm quiet, so I might end up being quiet for most of this. Ah, shoot. Oh, I thought it was going to crash there. No, remove index. We want to remove the top index because that'll be the one that played last. Next. I forgot, low entry has a queue system, doesn't it? Frick! Alright, let's try that out actually. Utilities execution queue. Where's low entry? Low entry is as you don't know, is a a free function library for Unreal. It's really good. It's got a bunch of useful stuff in it. It's low entry extended blueprint library, I think, is what it's called. Low entry extended library utilities. Yeah. See, it's got all this bunch of crap. Game flow control. Advanced for loop. Oh, I see. Okay, where is it? Execution queue, that's what it's called. There's only 2 of them, huh? Entry extension execution queue? Wait a minute. What's this all about? Yeah. Ah, whatever. I'll look up how to do it some other time. It's not native to Omega anyway. Alright. What would be better for this, actually? I'll just put the data in here. That way I can just drop it right in, and everything should work fine. Yeah, alright. Oops. Action. No, I don't even need that. I don't need that. I don't need this to be to have a signature on it. I realized it can just be a normal success or a normal delegate. And I think end event. Yeah. Okay, I think this will work. I just need to make this an event. Gameplay event. Data. Alright. Create widget. Oh no. Less. Hopefully this doesn't all end up being a waste of time. Which it might. That's the risk. Widget. So we're gonna have to, actually best add to play your screen. Not like it'll make much difference, but I like doing that for safety anyway. Get text. Get txt. I use flag. Oops. Not what I wanted. Bend. Left. Weird. And let's see. Get name, quest name. Widget. Get anim light. What we're gonna do is we're gonna play this and then finish the event. Finish. No, not self. There. Okay, I think that's... Well, we also want to do the failsafe, but I think that should be it. Or not. What the frick? Oh wait, I gotta save this first. Okay. Oh, also. Oops. Set input modes. We want to disable input for the... Nah, but we gotta... Sorry, we gotta do it through the actual... We should actually make a new function for getting our RPG-specific controller. Wrong one. Controller. Get player controller. This way we can easily get the Omega player system too. sorry. Omega. There's a subsystem. That's what we want. There we go. Get RPG player control, I think. Set input mode to none, because we don't want any input while this is going on. We should also pause, like, enemies and stuff, but I'm not going to make a pause thing just yet. You know, I'll probably end up dying as a result. Whatever. Alright. Time to plug everything in and see what happens. Not quest trigger. Q. It's so misspelled, isn't it? Event Q component. Here we go. Add event Q. Started. Get quest data, plug that stuff in. And okay. I think, and honestly, that could be used as like a general notification window as well. So making sure that stuff's cleared out of my save. Let's also make that our, when we begin a quest, we'll just, for now, I want to make it the active one. Or make it our current quest. Just so it updates automatically. Alright, done. 0. Quest system. Begin quest. Alright. Moment of truth. Nope. Nope. It's weird. It's added to the queue. Didn't I? Did I not? Let me double check. Yeah, I didn't give it a. There we go. That's why. Obviously. Obviously. So now I beat these boys up. And screw you. Let's double check this. Get out of here. Dismiss, dismiss. Dismiss all the things. Why am I all the way over there? Gosh, you know what? Alright. Get them all. Take that. Go back to being dead. I didn't check this. Frick. I was supposed to check and. Oh, breakpoint. That's right. That breakpoint. Oh, also, I need to stop the state machine on the. It didn't breakpoint, which means we didn't get here. End. Where's the quest? Which, wait, that doesn't make much. Hang on. That doesn't seem to make any sense though, because we got the flag for the end quest. Yeah, they are. I can make them faster. I'm just not focusing on that right now. I want to find. Yeah. Okay. So on quest event next. Update quest. No, that's local. I needed. No, it isn't. Wait, what the frick? Next date. Oh, Inquest is an event, that's why. I wanted this. What the frick? Am I going crazy? It's right. It's the same thing. Alright, let's find out. Halbura. No flag, so... Wait a second. Oh, I didn't start... I'm an idiot! I'm not starting the quest. That's the problem. Yeah, it's never the engine, it's always you, eh? Get back here. Breakpoint, perfect. So now if I do it without the breakpoint, it should go through the whole thing just fine. I really should probably cut these down to one enemy just so I can... and put him somewhere else. I did it again. Alright, you know, I'm actually going to do that. Yeah. You know what? No. I'm going to do something else. I'm just going to add a button I can press. Quest event. And I believe it's kill skeleton. That's the one I need, right? Let's check. Kill skeleton. Kill skeleton. Oops. So I think... Alright. What the frick? Add breakpoint. Let's add some multiple breakpoints. Breakpoints for everyone. Except for I can't do that, because yeah, I know it works the first time. Toggle breakpoint, there we go. This is a bunch of crap. Oh man. Alright, not for... Ugh. Alright. Oh, buzz off. Let's try that again. I missed what it said. So there's our thing. No valid queue. Try start. Huh? Oh, we got... Right. We gotta make sure to reset it even on a fail. Actually, we'll just move the failure. I think I got it. There. That should do it, boys. Let's see. Perfect. Get him. I don't even mind bothering now. So I need to change the AI on those two because it's forgetting to turn off the AI machine once they're dead. So let's do that. Let's see, actors, enemy base, enemy base. One death. And play. AI machine. Shut down, there we go. Now, properly, if I... Really? I don't know why he's not looking at me. He's supposed to look at me and... There we go. And no errors. Perfect. Alright, so we got chests, dungeons, what else I want to put in. NPCs and dialogue, obviously. That's pretty obvious. Next one. NPC. Blueprint NPC. Nah, none of that crap. I need like a talk bubble icon. I don't have one. What the heck is going? Diamond, I don't know. Diamond will work. Oops. Name. Well, I mean, it's literally streamed from my desktop audio because it's the easiest way, but it's all music from Spotify. This is, let me see, Sora no Kiseki second chapter, or Legend of Heroes, Trails in the Sky second chapter is the music. Let's see, NPC boy. What the heck? I feel like my performance just jumped, like, low for some reason. Let's simulate. Oh, dialogue. That'll be freaking fun. I don't want to do that. Dialogue. Oh, man, some sort of, like, hierarchical data asset, like, something like that for, Doesn't UE5 have something like that? Oh, hang on, I want to check. Oops. Yeah, common conversation. Here it is. This boy. Conversation graph. Yeah, this is the thing I'm wondering about. It's a shame that it's only in UE5 and not native, because that would be very useful for this. See if anyone else is mentioning it. Nah. I'm pretty sure I saw it more than once, though. Well, I think the dialogue in Unreal is so hard because there's this weird, like... Not yet works, but it's not. I need something native. What the heck is this? Yeah, saving that for later. I want to look at that. Oh, what's this? Oh, this reminds me of the dialogue editor for, I don't know if you guys, any of you ever modded Knights of the Old Republic, but this reminds me of the dialogue editor for that, which I believe is the Infinity Engine. I'm not 100% certain, but that's useful. But it doesn't matter. A bunch of stuff to look at later, but not while I'm on stream. I'm trying to think of a dialogue solution. I don't know. I may just have to do most of the dialogue is linear too. It's not even that it branches a ton. It's just kind of branches. Is there? Is there anything native in Unreal that I can work with? Not state machines, because that's not native, even though it should be. Prefab, physics, Omega. Anything that's either native or free. Let me check out free plugins for dialogue on the marketplace. Just something I can use quicker. Riveting stream, guys. Ain't it? Sorry, I know it's a bit of a low-key stream today. Alright. Man, this is slow. Alright, browser. Or browse, not browser. Yeah. Code plugins. It's gotta be free. Gotta be free stuff. Artisy, that's it. Boy. Nothing. Alright, well. Well, we need something pretty simple for now. Yeah. Will I ever finish in time? Probably not. Alright. Dialog sequence. We're gonna make a new one, we'll call it Dialog Sequence. I think that works. FT dialog line. Let me show you what I'm making. The problem is I don't like the way it looks. It looks too, like, excessive. I honestly think it would be faster for me literally just to build my own. That's, like, super simple. So what I'll do is I will do, name, where you can get a speaker name. You'll probably have, like, a, probably have a string table or something for speakers. Sorry, speaker. Do I want to integrate any voice lines natively? I'm not gonna have voice for this, so probably not. Okay. We already have story tags as a thing natively in Omega. So the way Omega Game Framework saves or so something that's integrated in its save system is what they call story tags, which is literally just a list of gameplay tags that are kept in your save file, and that's an easy way of handling conditions. So what I'm going to do is add this, where it's you just add in conditions, and it'll play this if this is either empty or if all the conditions in it are met. Then it'll play this line. If not, it'll skip over it. And suddenly I need to take a bathroom break. Gosh dang it. I'm tired of taking so many breaks. I need work. Should probably do something else though for the Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go hit the bathroom and try to think of what to do while I'm working. So try to be back in 5. Okay. Okay, back. Alright. So I think I honestly think that the way I handle dialogue in Super RPG Framework is probably the best way to go about it if you're not going to use some sort of node editor. So basically the way that's going to work, let me show you, is game systems, dialogue. we're essentially going to have a dialogue sequence, which is the lines of dialogue we're going to go through. And then at the end of that, we're going to check to see if we have any responses. If no, we end the dialogue. If yes, then we'll play that response, and that response can have a follow-up line, like a follow-up dialogue sequence. So, in that case, we're actually going to make player choice as a separate option here, or a separate system. I'll also try to design it. That better not be someone else, like, they have to go check on. Cause I need to work, darn it. Anyway. So, we have this as a separate system, and I should be able to easily integrate it back and forth with... I mean, I'm not going to have time to do it in Logic Driver, but I could. Should be alright. Probably all I need. At least for now. Alright. Let's make a new action here. Action. Alright. Ah, but I need conditions as well. Choices. Oh yeah, and I want some more sophisticated I think I'll stick to tags for now. I need to stop saying that for now, because that basically just means I'm probably not going to get it done. I'm probably going to forget about it and not get it done, but we're just going to use tags for this moment. Or not. Choice index. I'll probably stop streaming after I finish dialogue. Just getting it working. Line sequence. Maybe align something for context as well. It won't matter, but... sorry. Just so the person looking at it can know. Okay, I get what this dialogue chunk is for. Line sequence. Responses. Okay. I'm trying to think. Is that all I need? I think so. Yeah, this should be good. Well, I can add. This way I can at least add more stuff later on if I need to. All right. Not even on, just finished. All right, player choice. Follow up sequence. Oh, follow up. Let's say follow dialogue. Makes it easier to understand. the actual dialogue event thing. Man, Logic Driver is so much better than Unreal's native stuff at handling this. Gosh. I really gotta find some better solution. Because this is just not very intuitive of this way of creating dialogue. I could use Common Conversation for Unreal 5, but there's nothing like that for UE4. That's the problem. It's kind of really annoying. I did for a while consider making Omega Unreal 5 exclusively, and maybe I should have, but like, it's just, I don't know. It's ridiculous. It's nothing's ever perfect, I guess. You know what? I don't need. It's basically the same thing. Yeah. Action, play, dialogue. Play dialogue. That's not what we want. Okay. Line index. Oops. First, let's see, starting sequence. Oh boy. Excuse me. Wait, can I reactivate? Oops. Activate. Nope. Okay, that's what I thought. So this is basically starting a new sequence, which we're going to do our initial one, obviously. Sorry, dialogue. And then just basically run through it until it's done. Next line. Get lines. See. Miscellaneous. Menu. Oops. Nope. It's not what I meant to do. Shoot. Menu. Dialogue. Alright. Ah, shoot, I can't do that. Because then it'll just be like, oh, you want to add another delegate? Can I make a private delegate? Ah, sweet. What happens if I do that? If it's a private delegate, I can't send it on the other thing, though. I can't send it to the menu, though. Dang it! Alright. Open menu. Dialogue. Oh, wait, that's not the context is the dialogue. Yeah. There, that's better. Finish. We'll only ever use succeed to end, so yeah. Close menu. Excuse me. Response. Get responses. No. Get responses. We'll check and see if we have any responses. Then we will play those up. If not, we'll end the dialogue. Actually, that menu should be cached, shouldn't it? DLG menu. Alrighty. Sorry. Sorry. Dialog line. This will update the actual. Probably should make it an event so we can print out the text. To dial action play dialogue. DLG event. So when we conform, it prevents. I can't prevent. Oh well, that's fine. Next line. All right, more Genshin reference image time. You check dialogue. This is easy enough. Save image as Genshin DLG ref. Let's drop that in. Whew. As always, just a reference image. I'm even gonna drop the opacity on this, just so it's not as up front. Okay. This doesn't feel quite right though, but like it seems a little off. But we're gonna follow what we're told, or what looks accurate. Vertical box for most of this. I'm sitting down early today. I've been standing up for long enough. And by long enough, about an hour and a half. But I'm tired. Does that text seem right? Sure. Sure. txt line. Excuse me. Actually, it's gosh. Auto wrap text, eh? Not quite, not quite. 350? 350 looks like the right offset, distance, whatever. Oh, this could be bigger though. Go 30 for the name, and maybe 22 for the line? Okay. I think that's good enough. Wrong one, plug that into there. Okay, I should, yeah, what we gotta do is update dialog line. And then right here we need to actually I'm thinking of how to do this right. How to do this best would be more accurate. I guess both these will be fail. Basically this one here is going to be checking for those conditions. We'll just do it like this, yeah. Conditions met. Yes. No. Yes. No. Hit save. Tags. Get story tags. Alright, so if this is equals... Isn't there an empty? No. Never. So if you have all the necessary tags or if the tag thing is empty. Okay. Uh-oh. That's going to be a problem. Because I shouldn't be making K2 nodes for all that stuff. Anyway, player choice. Choice selected. So then here, after doing the choice, we'll check and see if this is a valid follow-up dialogue. Start, what is it? Start sequence. And if so, we'll start it, and if not, end dialogue. Response. And I think we're probably mostly good. Now we just need to get responses working. So let's go to player choice, make a new menu. Oh, player choice needs to be in game systems. Alright, new menu. Coming to the end. Vertical. How do I want to do this? Just so you get that same reference image, right? Yeah. All right. We'll need to make. So in here we got our button. Is it out? I can't tell if it's like scrolled out or not. Whatever. Get a nice looking nice little pointer to whatever our response option is. There we go. It's not perfect, but whatever. What do I have for UI options? Oh, I got these all backwards. Sorry, I'm looking at my folder hierarchy. UI. Icons. Whoa. Okay. It's kind of small text, ain't it? It's gotta fit on 2 lines, so I guess that makes sense. Auto wrap, auto wrap, auto wrap. There we go. Still a little big, even when it's auto wrapping. 13. 13 is a better size. No, 13 is too small. 15 is more like the actual size. Oh, I'm gonna use interfaces for this, didn't I? Oh, whatever. I really don't like this dialogue, this way of doing dialogue. I know it works, but I don't like it. All right, new data widget. Data widget response. Oops. Do hover it in? Hover anim. Little hover animation. At this point, Logic Driver Pro, for absolutely certain. That's the one I use in all my stuff now. Or just like branching State Machine in general is how I prefer it, something like that. But Logic Driver Pro is my preferred solution. Yes. And this is wrong. This needs to be 0 and then go to negative 40, like that. So plug some of this stuff in. Ah, right. This also needs to be not visible until I hover. There we go. Button text. I think that's everything I need. Get choices. For each loop. Oh, better clear the list first, because these we have to manually build instead of just popping in a few assets like we normally do with data lists. Sorry, so construct object. So I believe I can use a general. What did I call it? Like general data object. Is that what it is? General data. Text. Set name? I guess not. Boy, oh boy. I don't want to have to create a whole new U object, but I guess I need to. Frick. See, this is what I mean. I would be able to do this easier if I had Logic Driver Pro. But at least we need to get it done. Alright. Do I have an option for adding, add. Alright, I need an option to add, not an asset, but like. Alright, screw it. For now, I'm making a new U object. U response container. I hate this is so unnecessary, but it's all I can do for now. Breku. So I'll add that to the stuff to do with Omega is add an option, add a custom asset option. Shouldn't be too hard, but it's more just it's another thing to add. So 1 second. To do. Where is it? Omega. Yeah. Immediate to do. Add. Data list? I think a data list. Add custom option. Okay. Almost there. Oops. Construct object from a class. then add asset to list. And then on selected. Do I save the context? Close menu. Yeah. Choice event. I want to save that because I'm gonna need it in just a minute. Call. Is that right? Yeah, that's fine. I could just need to collapse whatever choices are invalid. Okay. I'll just do this once. Do once. And then close. Okay. Now. Vertical scroll box, I believe. This is an example. I got a little more space for those. Canvas. Try 70. And then crank this. No. Offset this by 5 top bottom. Now, how does that look? Okay, there's a little more space. That lines up alright. Okay. Alright, and I'm almost there. Get player controller. No. Get RPG player controller. Open menu. Player choice. I think that's all I need. Oh, no, it's not, because I need, yeah. Just plugged up to the wrong stuff. Self. And then... actually, this is better. Select choice. Because then I can end it right after. Succeed. Player choice. Select. Alright. I think I'm basically about ready. Just need to make some dialogues and test it out. Alright, on interact. If dialogue is valid. Oh boy. Action. Play. Dialogue. Also, do once. And then on finish, reset. Okay. NPC out there. Alright, now let's make some test dialogues. We'll do it on the test map, though. Dialogue should go in whatever map it's relevant to. DLG. DLG test map 01. Sorry. Hello 1. Standard hello, how are you doing? And then hello. Hello there. Finally doing some actual dialogue. How are you doing? I say good. Good. Bad. And 2 1 and 2 2 and then 3. Just for reference. That's great. Glad to hear we're doing okay. Which I'm not now, but I will be in a minute when I'm done. Just because then I can take a break before I get back to more work. Alright. See. Spoken. Said bad. It's always the most annoying part is actually creating the systems. Then when you're making content, you feel a lot better. Or at least I do. I enjoy making content more than... I mean, I like making systems and see them work, but it's more redoing or doing the stuff that I already know works and just having to go through that tedious process. No responses. And then... Oh, wait, no. Oh, right! I have to do one more thing. I need to add a follow-up dialogue at the end. That's actually easy, though. Dialogue. Follow up dialogue. There, oh boy. So, say, are there any valid responses? Nope, no valid responses. Okay, that's pretty simple. Then, but we don't want to succeed just yet. As in, succeeding would end the dialogue. Because we want to see if well, actually, we do this. Is follow-up dialogue valid? And if it's not, then yeah, end dialogue. But if it is, whew. Follow up dialogue. There we go. Is that 3? It's 2 1 2 2. Well, see ya. All right. And these both need to follow up with line 3. This is all. So this type of dialogue, yeah, is probably sufficient for if your stuff is fairly linear for the most part. Your dialogue. If you're gonna have a lot of branching all over the place, definitely look into something else. All right, the moment of truth, maybe. No, maybe. Yes. Here we go. Okay. I didn't do next line. I didn't do next line and next line. I need to actually be able to advance dialogue. So I'm on a separate screen at the moment. It's just faster for me this way. Set input mode to interface. And when we're done with dialogue, set input mode back to pawn. Okay, now here we go. Hello there, how are you doing? Good. We have to, did we restore it? No, we didn't restore, but we also, okay. It worked. I just have to make sure I'm actually controlling the menu. So basically, yeah. Set control widget. Dialogue menu. All right, here we go, guys. Fellow, hello there. How are you doing? Good. That's great. See ya. Woohoo! I want to be more excited, but I'm mostly just tired. I am happy though. Frick. All right. So far today, what was that? I'm not done because it only did dialogue once. Let me see why. So I just need to figure out why it's... It just didn't reset. Oh, that's why. I didn't tell it. I didn't fire the finish delegate when it actually finished. There, now it should be good. I have to test, but great, see ya. Okay, now can I need to unbind that. Woohoo! Yay! So, I got dialogue working today. I got chests working. I don't have dungeons working, but I at least have the thing in for them. I got some prefabs for enemy camps, and I got quests. So... Oh! And I did one more thing that I want to show off very briefly. If this will load. I attempted to make a title screen that looked kind of like Genshin. Certainly, it would not say I succeeded much, but at least it works, and you can start the game. Provided it doesn't crash. Yeah, there you go. So, there you are. Oh yeah, and I forgot. Waypoints. Which don't do anything. But I can still... I did these last time, though. I think I did these last time, but they didn't do anything, was the issue. Whatever. Alright, so I think that's enough for now. I'll probably go eat something, break, and then get back to work on something else. Well, we're starting to come to the end. I don't know if it's 100% certain if I'll end up streaming on Sunday. I might. If not, then I'll might push back the final day till Monday. But we'll see. All right, everyone. Thanks for joining me again. Wasn't the most exciting nor successful day, but at least I got some stuff done. So happy to finally be on break. Thanks for joining me. Reminder, Mariposa and the Galaxy Man, first game using Omega Game Framework, is available to wishlist on stream, so go ahead and check that out. Links in the description. Aside from that, I'll see you all tomorrow, probably at 1 o'clock Central Time as well. So long.